Baby has the hiccups. Uh-oh.
Mira, Meha, one thing I want to show you because I don't have much even time. Sorry. Look my cooker.
Okay.
When you want to close, look. You have to put hand here, Meha.
Oh, baby.
Whole episode.